Hello, today we will make a parrot. Please take this paper and bags. So you have 3 bags. One is with feathers, another is with eyes, and the third one is with modeling clay. Please take the bigger modeling clay and divide in 2 parts. One should be bigger than another. Now I take the smaller part, I soften it, and I make a circle. Now I take another part, I also soften it, and I make another circle and also put it into the paper, not too close to my first circle. Now take the purple or another color, so make it soft again. So I divide it into parts and I take one part and I roll a long sausage. It will be a wing. I take another part and I also roll another sausage. So this is how I make wings. Now take orange color, just a little bit, and we will need to make a beak. And 2 feet. Now take feathers. Feathers are for the tail. Two eyes. And I want to add extra detail on my parrot's head. So my parrot is ready. Please send me pictures of your parrots. Bye bye.